isikhathi thani sathenga kudla ayeye izinqo zabafana ayeye izinqo zabafana ayeye isishopho sabafana ngayibhale kade ayisabe sesihamba ke safika la igarage guys bengiphila ngabo 30 rand 50 rand veteran guys I've been broke for such a long time uma ngifika la garage vele ngavela ngathi hayibo faka i-full tank wena ngifuna kuyibona iqhitheka le petrol hayi ngimangicatha lapho ngathenga amandi ne-green pap because I was feeling dizzy umtimba wami nje angu-understand ukuthi what's happening mase ngihamba ke ngavele ngathenga umbila cause bengilambile kancane mara kancane 15 rand yabo ukuthi muhle kanjani hayi ngahamba ke ngabese mangifika la N4 angingize ngikhona ngashaya i-trend yokubingelela ama-truck drivers they need love guys labanye abalala emakhaya they need us to show them love ngangena la Capitec ngicela ngingangibuthi ngilahlile ikhadi futhi yebo ngeta la Ilanga Mall because bengifuna i-Pick n Pay ngithenge kahle la Pick n Pay shem ngiyangichaza last time ngathenga khona so namhla ngabona ukuthi hayi ngcono ukuthi ngibuyele khona mangifika ke ngapaka baby girl wami shem guys mina imoto yami ngiyayithanda eneyinhle ene ikalemini eniyangifanele Volvo yeah, the girl that you think you are, Shem. Hayi ngabe sengena ke la Pick n Pay ke, but you pick you pay. Okay, ngaphika nami ke. Ngaphika konke lenguthi ngako. So cousin wami decide go, "Hey, ngahlangana nananayi. Hello." Guys, thank you so much. Bantu abeningibo laba support content yami. Ngathenga nje tindo guys. It was 5,100 something khona lapho ke. Ayisesapha kwenibingelela makhwamla. Hello. Guys, the love you're showing me, yours, Shem, it's so amazing. It's so amazing. Nasi sleepy cabanga bagang panselang. Bagang panselang. Ngabe sengidala Pick n Pay likwa isingathola ukuthi kuyadura mani bekuthi sale kahle nothi kuyadura yabo maybe I'm not the target market ngabe sengiyasuka khona ngita la Standard Bank because ngimele ngiyothenga ama veg obviously they need cash ngaleti market ngeta ngafika ngathenga ke ama veg ngithenge ngamnazi la kuyathengeka bathi kuphi kusekhanyeni ya khona lapho mangisuka lapho ngeta la Canary Walk because bengithenga iShoprite likwa hayi shema ngifuna icamba manga la kudobhadobhekile ke ngangena la iShoprite likwa ngabuka nje shem kona kwathengeka njengoba senibona sengilana sengibhadara ke nabo tshwala bami guys lo tshwala lobu be content mina anginathi shem guys ngithengela i-content ningathi mina ngiyanatha shem na igroza etshwala la yabo nje kuthe 2 bani kuya kwehla 200 rand ngiseta la Riverside Mall I was here for isushi le Friday nakhona yeah I was here for sushi ngagcina sengithenga nema prawns sashaya tsa sakhotha nendishi yo kumnanzi kumnanzi shami angifuni icamba manga sebese siyathenga ke isushi kwaba mnanzi ngoba nje yazabonda guys thank you so much for the love ngayiphanda ngana love you so much guys good night.